Montgomery Tower, Cessna 354 Tango Alpha, student pilot, holding short 28 right for right close traffic with Papa.
Cessna 354 Tango Alpha, Montgomery Tower, make right close traffic, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 28 right, 4 Tango Alpha.
Wind calm.
Clear final. Knots to rotate.
Wind calm. Wind calm. Wind calm.
Looks good. Start the crossway.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, runway 28 right, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, 28 right, 4 Tango Alpha.
Montgomery Tower, citation 156 Mike Lynn is with you on the approach 28 right.
Winnie 0 Mike Zulu, turn left enabled and contact ground.
Roger, green turn on the runway there, 523.
Winnie 0 Mike Zulu, approved as requested.
Roger.
Citation 156 Mike Lima, Montgomery Tower, following a Cessna in the north pattern, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 28 right, 6 Mike Lima.
Beam the numbers, about 1600 RPM, flaps 10 degrees.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, turn base inside the freeway, runway 28 right, clear touch and go.
Turn base inside the freeway, 28 right, clear touch and go, 4 Tango Alpha.
Wind calm.
9 degrees flaps. Airspeed down.
Wind calm. Wind calm.
3 degrees flaps.
Seneca 068, you're following a citation just inside Lake Murray, runway 28 right, clear to land, number 2.
Number 2, clear to land, following citation, Seneca 15068.
Montgomery Tower, Cessna 2436, expect hold short 28 left for a straight out departure.
Cessna 2436, Quebec, Montgomery Tower, straight out departure approved, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 28 left, 36 back, thanks.
Flaps up. Carb, throttle. Rotate.
Montgomery Tower, King Air 51 Echo Echo, about 7 out.
King Air 51 Echo Echo, Montgomery Tower, you're following a Seneca, left downwind to left base, runway 28 right, clear to land, number 3.
Clear to land, 28 right, number 3, 1 Echo Echo.
Citation 6 Mike Lima, you're now number 1, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 28 right, 6 Mike Lima.
Seneca 068, turn base. All of us are following a citation, 2 miles on runway 28 right, clear to land, number 2.
068, turning base, you had a citation.
Downwind, it's clear. Downwind.
Montgomery Tower, Cessna 738 Tango Bravo at 28 right, ready for pattern work.
Cessna 738 Tango Bravo, Montgomery Tower, stand by.
Stand by, 738 Tango Bravo.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, extend downwind, I'll call your base.
Extend the downwind, you'll call my base, 4 Tango Alpha. Clear downwind.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 28 right, 4 Tango Alpha.
Helicopter 0 Delta Lima, numbers of 23, clear to land. Remain north of runway 28 right at all times. Report on the go each time. Traffic entering right downwind, Cessna altitude indicates 1,200.
Helicopter 0 Delta Lima, looking for traffic, currently at 1,000. We'll stay north of runway 28 right at all times. We'll report on the go.
Numbers 1600 RPMs, flaps 10
Cessna 4
degrees.
Tango Alpha, traffic helicopter midfield 1, altitude indicates 1,000, inbound from numbers of 23.
Traffic in sight, 4 Tango Alpha. Turn base.
Cessna 5 Sierra Papa, traffic right base for the Palo Cessna.
Traffic in sight, 5 Sierra Papa.
20 degrees flaps.
And 2306. And 2406. Attention all aircraft, Montgomery latest information, Quebec, now current, wind 230 out far, altimeter 3014. Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, turn left at Golf, hold short, runway 28 left, remain in my frequency.
Left at Golf, hold short 28 left, marine your frequency, 4 Tango Alpha.
Montgomery Tower, Cessna 46120, outside Penny inbound. We have Papa full stop.
Cessna 46130, Montgomery Tower, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 28 right, 120.
Wind 2406.
Montgomery Tower, student pilot Cessna 172 Romeo Whiskey, currently indicating 3,000 feet. Inbound for full stop landing with information Quebec.
Cessna 172 Romeo Whiskey, Montgomery Tower, squawk 0400, enter left downwind, runway 28 left.
Squawk 0400, make left closed traffic for 28 left.
5 Sierra Papa, turn left at Golf. If able, leave room for one more, then contact ground.
Left at Golf, I'll leave room. 5 Sierra Papa.
Cessna 4 Tango Alpha, good job. Cross runway 28 left and contact ground.
Cross 28 left and contact ground, 4 Tango Alpha. Thank you.